हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। आप लोग कैसे हो? आई होप यू विल बी नाइस। टुडे वी आर स्टडी अबाउट द मोस्ट important objective question of the waves. My first question is, what is a waves? Option A form of matter, a disturbance that transfer energy, a type of the particle, a chemical reaction. Correct answer will be B. A disturbance that transfer energy. Question number 2. Waves transfer from one place to another place. Option A matter, option B energy, option C mass, option D atoms. Correct answer will be energy. Question number 3. The maximum displacement of a particle from its mean position is called. Question repeat. The maximum displacement of a particle from its mean position is called frequency, time period, amplitude, wavelength. The correct answer will be amplitude. Question number 4. The distance between two consecutive crests is called amplitude, wavelength, frequency, time period. The correct answer will be wavelength. Question number 5. The number of vibrations per second is known as amplitude, wavelength, frequency, velocity. The correct answer will be frequency. Question number 6. The SI unit of frequency is option A second, option B meter, option C hertz, option D joule. Correct answer will be C. The SI unit of the frequency is hertz. Question number 7. 1 hertz mean 1 vibration per minute, 1 vibration per second, 1 vibration per hour, 10 vibration per second. Correct answer will be 1 vibration per second. So option B is correct. Question number 8. The time taken to complete one revolution is called frequency, time period, amplitude, velocity. Correct answer will be time period. Question number 9. The relation between frequency f and time period t is option A f is equal to t, b f is equal to 1 upon t is equal to f is equal to t square. Correct answer will be B. Frequency is always inversely proportional to the time period. Question number 10. Sound waves are an example of transverse wave, mechanical waves, light waves, radio waves. Correct answer will be mechanical waves. Question number 11. In transverse wave, particle vibrate parallel to direction of wave, perpendicular to direction of the waves, in circular motion, randomly. The correct answer will be perpendicular to direction wave. Question number 12. In longitudinal waves, particle vibrate perpendicular to wave direction, parallel to the wave direction, in zigzag motion, do not vibrate. Correct answer will be B. Parallel to wave direction. Question number 14. The region of the low pressure in the longitudinal wave is called compression, rarefaction, crest, amplitude. Correct answer will be rarefaction. Question number 15. The speed of a wave is given by V is equal to F lambda, V is equal to F upon lambda, V is equal to lambda upon F, V is equal to F plus lambda. Correct answer will be V is equal to F lambda. Option A is correct. Question number 16. If frequency increases, wavelength will be increase, decrease, remains same, becomes zero. The correct answer will be decrease. Answer B is correct. Question number 17. Sound cannot travel through. करा है sound cannot travel through sounds, liquid, gaseous, vacuums. Correct answer will be vacuum. Question number 18. The loudness of the sound depends on frequency, amplitude, speed, wavelength. The correct answer will be amplitude. Question number 19. The pitch of sound depends on amplitude, frequency, speed, medium. The correct answer will be frequency. The pitch of the sound depends on the frequency. So option B is correct. Now last question, 20 question. Which type of the wave required a medium to travel? Light waves, radio waves, mechanical waves, X-ray. Correct answer will be mechanical waves. So mechanical waves required a medium to travel. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.